Hello there. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of lubrication in your mech. In Marduk's left arm, I've got the proper lubrication in her elbow joint, and in the right arm, there is not. So I'll be able to show you the difference in between, why it's important, and how I do it. Let's go in and find out. Although, and giving it a good bend, arm goes up and down very smoothly. However, when trying to do the same for this Waldo, not so much. Now, to lube the elbow axles up properly, it's a very complicated procedure, but I'll do my best to explain it. And now you can see that it bends a little easier. There. All thanks to some lube in the right place at the right time. So that will be all for today. Be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and next time, hopefully we'll start bashing stuff. So see you then. Bye-bye.